Today we're going to be testing out two iconic Estee Lauder foundations to see how they perform on real skin. The famous Double Wear foundation and their Ultra Radiance Serum Cream Makeup. But first I want to talk about something that's been getting a lot of attention lately. The Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation was actually reformulated. Now the original launched back in 1997 and it became famous for its long wear full coverage. This new formula includes more skincare ingredients like hyaluronic acid and niacinamides, and it's designed to move with the skin so it feels lighter. But the big question everyone's having is, does this perform like the original? Is it better? Is it worse? And this video is made in partnership with Belk, and you can find the entire Estee Lauder collection on Belk's website, or make sure to provide a link to everything that I'm going to show you guys in the description below, so make sure you guys check that out. So the first product we're going to be testing out is going to be the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Long Wear Matte Foundation, and this is the brand's most iconic foundation. I'm in the shade number 2N2 Buff. One of the reasons it's so popular has to be the shade range. It's got 57 shades to choose from, which makes it easier to find a perfect match. A little free gift with purchase would have to be their pump. I'm also going to be trying out the Estee Lauder Retrieve Ultra Radiance Serum Cream Makeup. Oh, it even comes with a little brush to apply it. And I got the shade number 2W1 Dawn. This is more of one of those skincare meets makeup formulas, and it's supposed to give you that glowy, radiant, luminous finish. Let's first start with the application for the Double Wear. The colors definitely look a lot different, but we're gonna go with it. You can see it not only has really nice coverage, but it blends so evenly and easily into the skin. Gorgeous. Now this is a buildable formula, so you can add a little bit more to the spots or the places where you need a little bit extra coverage, or you can keep it as light as possible to give it a really nice natural finish. It's so light, I don't even feel it on my skin. Look at this. Because it's a matte foundation, I was worried that this formula was going to dry down so much that it was going to show every little nook and cranny, pore, crease, wrinkle, dent, imperfection all over my face, and it's not doing any of that. So already totally impressed. Now compared to the Double Wear side, this is going to be a lot more radiant. It's going to be a lot more glowy, natural, very, very light coverage because it's more skincare than it is color, and you only need a small amount of this. I just used the lid, just a couple of taps with my brush. Look how much coverage I've got, and look how beautiful my skin looks. So it really just depends on what type of finish you're looking for. If your skin tends to be more oily, you probably want to check out the Double Wear. But if your skin has a combination like mine, you might be obsessed with this one. This one's definitely more pricey, but you don't need very much of it, and a little bit does go a long way. I'm so glad that I watched some videos before I even tried it, because I definitely would have been rubbing it all over my face like if it was moisturizer or something. Now that I've got all of my makeup on, I'm going to now test the longevity, because we know that the Double Wear is known for its long lasting wear, up to 36 hours, girl. So I'm gonna wear this throughout the day, check back in with you guys periodically to show you how it's wearing, and of course this one as well, because it is on the other side of my face. It's been a few hours and the foundation still looks really smooth. The coverage is still there and it doesn't feel heavy on my skin. It's not separating, it's not getting oily, but honestly I can't pick. I feel like I love them both for different reasons. Now again, if you are an oily skin girl, I would definitely go with the Double Wear foundation, because this one might make you a little bit more slippery. But if you have combination skin like I do, and maybe even more on the dry side, then this is gonna be your best friend. Definitely check her out. And again, you can find the entire Estee Lauder collection in stores at Belk or belk.com, or you can use the links that I provided in the description box below, because they're definitely gonna stay in my collection. And if you have any other products that you would like me to test out, try, review, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll get to those as soon as I can. But thank you guys so much for all of your love, support, time, energy, and just hanging out with me today, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.